Sa panahon ngayon, ang bilis na mag-evolve ng mga laptops. Pansin mo, ang daming lumalabas ng mga gaming laptops na napakalakas ng mga performance. May mga bagong labas na generation ng CPUs, pati na rin ng mga GPUs. Pero, here's the twist. What if sabihin ko sa inyo na yung isa sa most powerful CPUs na available today is paired with a brand new mid-range NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 GPU, all packed inside the aggressive stylish frame of the Asus ROG Strix G16. So eto na ba yung perfect balance of performance and price? Or isa na naman tong another confusing combo? Tara, let's find out. Now, let's do the unboxing of our ROG Strix G16. Meron tayo ditong malaking black box with the ROG logo containing the small box for the laptop, the backpack, and the 280 watts power adapter. Makikita natin dito yung ating ROG Strix logo dito sa small box. And on the inside is the ROG Strix G16 itself. While dito sa loob ng box, meron tayong power adapters at meron pa tayong extra na 90 watts charger. Meron tayong paper materials or the manuals at itong ating freebie na ROG gaming mouse. At eto din pala yung ating ROG backpack. So, na-retain pa din ni ROG Strix G16 2025 yung kanyang aggressive gamer DNA with bold accents, customizable RGB keyboard lighting, and that signature Strix style. Yung kanyang chassis is sturdy at dito yung kanyang keyboard is made of plastic pero dito sa LCD cover is made of metal so meron pa rin siyang premium feel despite being aimed at the mainstream performance bracket. So for added visual interest, the Strix G16 features a paint specking pattern dito sa may rear exhaust ports inspired by graffiti art and the cyberpunk aesthetic. Kahit balibalik ta rin natin itong ating laptop, may makikita tayong design that makes it stand out as a gaming laptop. Dito sa vent sa baba, we can see the typographic element that shows the ROG Pride. And speaking of ROG Pride, ROG is not ROG kung wala itong kanyang customizable RGB keyboard. Meron siyang full-size keyboard design, perky yung kanyang RGB, which lets you choose from millions of colors on every key for endless customization. It comes with gaming hotkeys or dedicated hotkeys which are positioned dito lang sa may upper left side ng keyboard, and these are all fully customizable via the Asus Aura Sync. Plus, yung ating touchpad. Mas malaki yung kanyang touchpad, mas easier tracking across all of your applications. Also, not every gamer is the same. So, the Strix G16 comes in two different colors. Kung gusto mo ng stealth look, the classic Eclipse Gray is for you. So, this keeps the true power of your machine under wraps. Para naman dun sa mga gustong mag-stand out from the crowd, Volt Green is the one for you. So, this is a 16-inch laptop weighing just 2.35 kilos with the dimensions of 35.4 by 26.4 by 2.26 centimeters. So, hindi siya yung pinakamagaan but definitely portable enough para doon sa mga gamers and students natin dyan. The cooling vents are visible around the sides and back, proof of a more improved cooling system design. So, this laptop also features plenty of I/O ports. So, meron tayo ditong dalawang USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. At dito naman sa kabila, we have the HDMI 2.1, 1G Ethernet port, the audio jack, at we also have the 2 USB-C that supports DisplayPort. And of course, yung ating power port. For its display, it has a 16-inch Full HD Plus panel at meron siyang resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a battery smooth 165Hz refresh rate. It is IPS level with anti-glare coating, which means mas sharp yung kanyang visuals and has a good viewing angle. It supports 100% sRGB and close to full DCI P3. So, hindi lang siya pang gaming. Pwede din siya for content creation, video editing, and design work. Response time is around 3 ms, which ensures fast action scenes, so wala siyang delay in terms of display and ghosting is minimal. It also supports Dolby Vision HDR, which improves 4K HDR. So, yung ginagawa niya is it adjusts the visuals para gawing richer, brighter, and livelier yung kanyang images. At hindi lang yan, kasi meron siyang TOV Rayland certification. So, yung kanyang Nebula displays are TOV Rayland certified. Actually, na-mention na din natin to on one of our videos, specifically yung ating review sa ating ROG Strix G18 2024. So, you can click the link here to watch that video. Now, getting back, this ensures the blue light compliance and it's flicker-free. Mape-prevent neto yung eye strains during long gaming or content creation sessions. And wag natin kakalimutan yung kanyang NVIDIA G-Sync. Ito yung nakakatulong para ma-synchronize yung refresh rate ng display with the GPU's refresh rate. The reason para makapagbigay ng gameplay experience that looks and feels more natural than ever. Now, for the audio. Etong si ROG Strix G16 ay may 2-speaker system with smart amplifier, Dolby Atmos, and high-res audio certification na kayang magbigay ng authentic sound para sa mga games na lalaroin natin. High-res audio ensures that you hear your music in the same quality that it was recorded. Meron din siyang two-way AI noise cancellation process for both incoming and outgoing audio para ma-filter yung mga background noises, making sure na walang distractions during your calls, chats, and streams. And eto yung nakuha nating measurement using our sound meter. We will be giving away 500 pesos GCash to 3 lucky subscribers. So make sure na And now let's talk about the heart of this machine. Now this variant, the G614PH RV067WSM, is powered by AMD's Ryzen 9 8940HX processor. It is one of the most powerful CPUs in the laptop space. With 2.4 GHz, a maximum frequency of 5.3 GHz with 16 cores and 32 threads. And it is paired with the NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5050 GPU with 8GB of the new GDDR7 memory. By the way, kaka-release lang nitong ating 50 series GPUs last year, 2025, at isa si Asus na nag-incorporate nito agad-agad sa kanilang mga laptops. You will also get 16GB of DDR5 memory with 5200 MHz frequency straight out of the box. At meron siyang 512GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, which is upgradable kasi meron siyang dual M.2 slots. By the way, both of the RAM and SSDs are upgradable, which is always a welcome feature in a gaming laptop. So in this part, i-open natin yung laptop para i-check yung ating mga components sa loob, and at the same time, i-check natin yung upgradability ng ating unit. But before we do that, disclaimer lang, kung di ka knowledgeable sa pag-open ng laptops or kung ayaw mong ma-void ang warranty nito, then please don't do it on your own. Bubuksan natin to for the sole purpose of this video, and we here at All World is an authorized service partner ni Asus. So pwede natin i-open, but of course with the help of our authorized service technician. So kapag mag-open tayo ng laptop, kailangan muna nating remove lahat ng screws. Then, kapag natanggal na natin lahat ng screws, ililift na natin yung ating back cover, and much better na i-remove din natin yung connection ng ating battery para ma-avoid natin yung mga short circuit. Upon opening, una nating makikita ay yung tatlong fans dito sa loob, while dito sa baba, meron tayong third fan for the GPU. Dito naman sa taas, sa my right side, and here on the left side are two large fans. We also have the 512GB of storage and the 16GB of RAM. Dito naman is yung ating Wi-Fi 6E adapter. While etong malalaking metals are the 7 high-efficiency heat pipes para mas ma-boost pa yung ating cooling system. So makikita din natin dito na meron pa siyang another slot for the upgrade of the memory. At dito naman sa side, sa bandang Wi-Fi adapter, meron siyang additional slot para sa ating M.2 SSD. In terms of connectivity, isang big factor lalo na kapag online gamer ka is the internet connection or the Wi-Fi. With the Wi-Fi 6E, may enjoy natin yung extra wireless band and faster wireless connectivity during gaming sessions. Plus, yung kanyang Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card. Meron siyang 1080p Full HD camera na mas maganda yung quality from the other laptops na meron lang 720p cameras only. And for the camera specs, itong ating ROG Strix G16 ay merong 1080p Full HD IR cameras, meaning meron siyang infrared cameras that supports Windows Hello, which provides convenient and efficient login or facial recognition kapag naglalagin tayo sa ating mga PC. And kapag i-compare ko naman siya sa ibang model, I would say na mas malinaw yung camera neto kaysa sa ibang models ni Asus at ng ating ibang brands. In terms of raw CPU power, this Ryzen 9 absolutely flies. Multitasking, video editing, 3D rendering, lahat ng to kayang-kaya niyang i-handle with ease. But the real question is, how does the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU with 8GB GDDR7 hold up? Para sa mga esports titles like Valorant, CS2, or Apex Legends, you can easily push 120 to 165 FPS on high settings, taking full advantage of the 165Hz display. Para naman sa mga AAA titles, performance depends on optimization. Para sa mga games like Valorant, nakakuha tayo ng 200 plus FPS with high settings. While the CS2 and Apex Legends, you can easily push 120 to 165 FPS on high settings, taking full advantage of the 165Hz display. We also tried playing Dota 2 with medium to high settings at nakakuha tayo ng 120 average FPS. Farlight with 90 to 120 FPS. And PUBG with 150 FPS with high settings. So para naman sa mga AAA titles, performance depends on optimization. So games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy will need medium settings to maintain smooth frame rates, usually around 50 to 70 FPS. Ray tracing is also possible pero mas magandang naka-off ito or very low settings given that the GPU's limits. So this makes the Strix G16 ideal for competitive gamers and casual AAA players pero hindi necessarily for those na gusto ng maxed out ultra settings at 100 FPS and every new title. So this laptop is also best for video editing, graphics design, and 3D rendering. I tried opening Adobe Suite apps like the Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop simultaneously at hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng problema. ASUS cooling system here uses a triple fan design with the liquid metal thermal compound on the CPU. Temps stay in check, CPU averaging in the 80s under heavy load, GPU in the mid-70s, fans can get louder in turbo mode, pero meron din naman kayong pwedeng pagpilian ng multiple profiles. Meron tayong silent, performance, and turbo. So for daily use, like the browsing or watching videos, the fans are fairly quiet. Now for its groundbreaking cooling, para makapag-accommodate ng powerful components, the Strix G16's chassis and motherboard were both designed para ma-accommodate ang full width heatsink. Yung fins neto ay mas malapit na sa exhaust vents for more efficient cooling. Most gaming laptops have dual fan cooling system, pero si G16 was able to have a third fan that helps keep the GPU and VRAM cool. Paired with the 7 high-frequency heat pipes and conductonaut extreme liquid metal on GPU, masasabi kong pinag-isipan talaga yung cooling system ni ROG Strix. So this laptop's battery life is decent for a gaming laptop. Meron siyang 90 watt-hours Li-ion battery with fast charging of 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. The laptop can last around 6 to 7 hours of light use like browsing or streaming, but expect only 1.5 to 2 hours when gaming on battery. So we have here two power adapters. One is a USB Type-C that supports up to 100 watts, mas magaan at mas maliit so madali lang bitbitin. Meron din tayo ditong 280 watts power adapter na kaya mag-recharge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. So now let's proceed to the pros and cons. So para sa pros, meron siyang excellent Ryzen 9 CPU performance, smooth 165Hz display with great colors, upgradable RAM and storage, premium ROG design, and strong cooling system. Yung cons naman niya is yung ating RTX 5050 GPU is a mid-tier, so meron tayong limits in terms of AAA performance. Meron lang siyang 512GB of storage out of the box. Fans can get loud under load, and this is not the lightest laptop kasi meron siyang timbang na 3.05 kilograms. Pero meron naman tayong ibang variants with higher GPUs of RTX 5060, 5070, and 5070 Ti, which of course stands at a higher price point. Yung SRP nitong hawak natin na variant is 99,995 pesos, which is already a solid pick for gamers who prioritize CPU power, esports titles, and future upgradability. But here's the kicker. ASUS is running a promo until January 15, 2026 only, dropping the price to just 92,990 pesos. So that's over 7,000 in savings, which makes this laptop one of the most competitive deals that you can get right now. So kung nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, make sure to hit that like button. Malaking tulong to para mag-grow yung ating channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para hindi mo ma-miss yung ating mga future videos kagaya nito. So this is your Kuya Arns of Overlord Communications, your #1 tech partner, and see you on our next video.